Our Simon exclusive cling and stencil storage sleeves are perfect for storing and protecting your favorite products. We offer these durable plastic sleeves in two options, a 50 or a 25 pack. The sleeves are 6 3/4 by 6 3/4 inches and are 4 mil in thickness. We also have a convenient flap at the top that can tuck down into the sleeve, which keeps items from falling out. The sleeves are sized perfectly to fit your 6x6 cling stamps of any brand, including our Simon exclusive collection of background stamps. You can also store your 6x6 stencils in these sleeves as well. They're large enough to fit multiple stencils inside, which is extremely helpful when storing layering sets that have multiple stencils. You'll find these sleeves so helpful when organizing and storing your favorite cling and stencil products. You can purchase these storage sleeves in our Simon Says Stamp store. I have links in the video description so you can easily find them. I hope that this quick tip was helpful, and thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.